खेलने वाला हूँ।
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening to everyone. Let everybody join. Meanwhile, please arrange a paper and notebook or a pen, sorry. Arrange it fast. You people are like, the class is already late because of some clash in the classes.
Ma'am, so the class time will be extended or till 7 only?
That I will see, baby. Yeah, it will be over by then. 7 or 7:10 we'll over it. Okay, today we will be doing prepositions. So note down all the important points. Prepositions are quite important topic. It will be there with you till you are into this. Like if you will be having English as a subject, prepositions are always important. Let everybody join. On the screen, I'll show you a slide. Start writing down your answers. Then I'll explain you later. Let everybody join. I hope the screen is visible to you. Do not note down any question. Just write down for first, what's your answer? For second, what will be the filler? That is it. There are only 12 students. Probably rest will be joining us soon. Meanwhile, you start doing the exercise.
Ma'am, we have to fill with prepositions.
Yeah, dear, only prepositions, and you will only write the answers.
Okay.
Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening.
Ma'am, what we have to do?
Can you see on the screen the
Yes,
slide
ma'am.
which I'm representing? These are
Yes.
some questions of prepositions. Whichever
Okay.
preposition you think that is suitable here, fill it with that. I will check what you people actually know.
Excuse
Okay.
me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the fifth sentence, ma'am, answer is given.
Yes, exactly. So no, nothing will come in the filler. That means no preposition is required.
Ma'am, you have started discussing the answer.
Not yet.
Okay.
Hmm. Shall we begin discussion if you have done these questions?
Ma'am, please wait.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in fifth question, ma'am, answer is written, ma'am.
Yeah, answer is written. So you say no preposition is required.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Have you noted? The answers,
Yes,
let's begin. Okay, one by one, I will ask one of you to answer, and the rest of the people can match. And I will also update you with the more situations which can be related. Okay, first answer, Alia, you will tell me for the first question.
The dog ran on the road.
On the road is right answer. So rest of the possibilities were
Ma'am, we can write across also.
across also. We can write along also. Along is side by side. So whenever you see vehicles on the road, vehicles they run on the road, and people they walk along the road. But it's a dog, so dog can be anywhere. The dog can cross the road. The dog can be along it and on also. So all three answers are correct. The river flows dash the
Okay.
bridge. Tanav.
I'm under the bridge.
River flows under the bridge. Correct answer. The work was done dash haste. Hiba.
In haste.
Good. In haste. That means
Excuse me,
quickly.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in second can be filled below.
No, we cannot. Below the village, we don't say. Under बोलते हैं ना. Under bridge होता है ना. It's never
Okay.
below.
Ma'am,
Yes, Sonam.
ma'am, it can be without preposition also.
Which question? Flows the bridge.
Ma'am, no fourth one I am talking. It can be
Fourth.
no preposition also.
He's afraid. No, we will use off. Afraid of. 100% you have to use off here. And then the fifth question, since the preposition is already given, so font, no preposition is required, off is written, and music. Next, Karnit. Karnit, sixth question. He goes dash Sunday dash church. On to. He goes on Sunday to church. Good. Correct answer, Mahi. Next question. He died dash his country.
In his country.
He died in his country. Yeah, we can say, but the more suitable would be for. Yeah, for. He died for his country.
Ma'am,
can you
please
tell me
don't
for
answer
sixth
for
one?
six.
Sixth one, he goes on Sunday and to church. Because with go, we use to also, and before day, we use on. He died dash his country for the steam engine was invented. It will be Agrim. Yeah, by.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Okay, you come to another question, Agrim. Ninth one. The burglar jumped dash the compound wall.
Off.
Of
In.
the. Oh, in. How can somebody jump in the wall?
Ma'am, it can be
I
from the compound wall.
Ma'am, may I tell you? Ma'am,
On
over the wall.
Over is the right answer. He jumped over the wall. Over क्या होता है? Like when you cross over something and you are not in contact with that thing, but you just cross it over. Like over bridge. The village was destroyed. Manisha, the village was destroyed dash fire.
Ma'am, can you Ma'am, can you tell the answer of fourth and fifth?
Just wait. Sonam,
Yes, ma'am, by fire.
no.
Ma'am, may I?
Who wants to? Yachna, Rishabh, okay.
Because of.
No, because of his conjunction.
Ma'am,
It's
from
not a
fire.
preposition.
Ma'am, from fire.
No.
In
The
fire. Ma'am,
ठीक है,
in
सारी
fire.
सारी prepositions बोल दो, है ना, कोई तो होगी ना करेक्ट. In यूज करते हैं फायर के लिए. The village was destroyed in fire. देखो, जब किसी घर में आग लगती है और या फिर हम कोई न्यूज पढ़ते हैं फायर की, तो हम बोलते हैं ना द बिल्डिंग वाज कॉट इन फायर. तो प्रेपोजिशन इन यूज करते हैं विथ फायर. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन के लिए आप आंसर पूछ रहे हो बच्चे. फोर्थ में आपका आएगा अफ्रेड ऑफ, और फिफ्थ में प्रेपोजिशन गिवन है तो नथिंग विल कम. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट है उत्कर्ष. उत्कर्ष आप करो. व्हाट इज दैट डैश मी. What is that dash me? Who will answer? Yachna, you do this.
To me.
Yeah, what is that to me? Exactly correct. And the next question. Siddhima, solve the 12th one. It can't be done. Dash offense.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can on come?
On offense.
No, ma'am. What is that on me?
Tell.
Who wants to? 11th can?
On.
No. What is that on me? नहीं, इसका मतलब ये है कि इस बात से मुझे क्या फर्क पड़ता है. What is that to me? It can't be done. Dash offense.
Bye.
No. Who's left? It's Manisha. You did not answer at that time. Ajinkya, you solve it. 12th one.
I. It cannot be done by offense.
No, we will say without. It can't be done without offense. मतलब अगर हम कोई काम कर रहे हैं वो offense है तो हम यही यूज करते हैं. It can't be done. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता without offense. Means it will be a crime. Okay, without offense is the right answer. Have you noted the answers for all these? I will send you the questions. Should I move to another slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we will be solving some questions. और अगर आपको कुछ prepositions में doubts हैं, that I will take later on. And I have some slides for you to show how you can recall the prepositions. See these questions and start doing. Raise your hands, those who know the answer. I can ask you. Karnit, solve the first one, 13th one. He spoke dash me dash Urdu.
With me in Urdu.
We use he spoke to me. He spoke to me in Urdu. Right, you can write down, guys. If we directly talk to a person, we use to, but when we talk to a third person, we say with. For example, if I say you people, I will talk with your parents. I will talk with your parents. But अगर मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ तो मुझे कहना चाहिए I am talking to you or I am speaking to you. So here the correct answer will be he spoke to me in Urdu.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, Hiba.
Ma'am, we have to do this in notebook.
Of course, note down the answers because I'm not going to send. I'll send only questions. Mahi, second, 14th question. They live dash the same roof.
In the same.
How we can live in the roof?
On.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Can we live on the roof?
Under.
Under the roof.
Under.
Under.
Yes. Under the roof is the right answer. I have not seen him. dash Wednesday last. Ajinkya,
Yes, ma'am.
I have not seen him.
Ma'am, the sentence goes, I have not seen him Wednesday last. That should be on last Wednesday.
That is okay. But last Wednesday भी ठीक है. But preposition क्या रहेगा वो बताओ?
Ma'am, because if it is last Wednesday, it would be I have not seen him since last Wednesday.
Yes, here also the same preposition will come. I have not seen him since Wednesday last.
Ma'am, but does it make any meaning Wednesday last?
You can correct it to last Wednesday also. Both are correct. But the
Okay.
preposition will be since. Okay. Okay, guys. Now question number 16. It will be solved by Rishabh. Rishabh, 16th question. I have known him dash a long time.
Ma'am, I am doing it, ma'am. Just a minute.
Okay.
Can I tell? Ma'am, for.
Yeah, for is the period of time. So we use for a long time. For a long time is right answer. Come to another question. The moon does not shine. Dash its own light.
Ma'am, can I?
May I?
Okay, Alia.
Ma'am, by its own light.
By is the right answer. By its own light. It is a matter dash little importance. Agrim.
Yes, ma'am.
It is a matter will you answer?
18th one.
Yeah, 18th one. This is a matter of little importance. Of.
Okay, ma'am.
I am tired. Yachna.
Still.
No, I am tired of walking. Still is an adverb. It's not a preposition. I am tired of walking. He has not yet recovered that. He has not yet recovered. Siddhima,
Ma'am, your
Yes,
voice is
ma'am.
cutting in between.
Ma'am, from his illness.
he has not recovered yet from his illness. Yes, correct answer. Good. Tanav, solve the next
Ma'am?
one quickly.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
My voice is not
Ma'am,
coming.
with. Ma'am, with.
I shall do it with pleasure. Yes.
Can it be for pleasure?
I'll do it with pleasure is the right answer. I'll do it for pleasure. Yeah, we can say, but the actual suitable answer will be with. Next question. Who wants to solve the next Sonam? Can you?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, 22nd
God
one
is good. Yeah, God is good
to me.
to me. Okay. Next, Mahi. Next question.
Ma'am, may I?
I will sit dash my desk.
On.
No, we don't sit on the desk, we sit on the bench. So for desk, use at my desk. I will sit at my desk. The tables on which you people don't sit, but you use them. For example, dining table, dressing table, computer table, or the desk. Then we use at as a preposition because we don't sit on table, we just use it. I will sit at my desk. Next, Agrim,
Ma'am, may I?
I'm sorry. See your hands and I'll take your names. Don't speak up, may I, may I? I will ask you.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
You
which question?
answer. Fourth,
Ma'am, for
yeah, right. So, next. Oh
voice
God,
is cutting, ma'am. I
me.
can't hear you.
Ma'am, I also.
Yes. Just wait.
Yeah, ma'am. Now it was, ma'am. Nice, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Better.
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
again cutting.
Again cutting, ma'am.
Alia, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Now it's audible.
Okay, for everyone, I think it should be audible then.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, better now. Come to the next question. 25th. Oh God, keep me dash sin.
Ma'am, what is meaning of sin?
Sin means something bad against the religion. You have done something. Actual meaning sin is पाप करना कुछ. तो हम गॉड से क्या प्रे करते हैं? कीप मी
Away.
अवे कीप मी अवे फ्रॉम sin. और हम सिंपल फ्रॉम भी यूज कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज यू विल से अवे फ्रॉम sin.
मैम फिर हम इसमें टू वर्ड्स लगा सकते
Prepositions
हैं.
use कर सकते हैं. Yes, we can use two prepositions together. For example, I am looking forward to. उसमें भी हम दो preposition use करते हैं.
Yes,
ठीक
ma'am.
है? Look forward to. Next question. I bought it. You guys can quickly answer. Those who know. I bought it at 70 rupees.
For
Okay, slow. He broke the jar.
Into
Into.
100 pieces.
Not into. Two.
two.
200 pieces. It has been raining.
मैम फिर इसमें
Ma'am,
टू
what is the
100
answer for
pieces आएगा.
previous?
Yeah, 200 pieces. The jug broke two.
Okay.
Since yesterday.
Since.
It has been raining since yesterday. I have been working hard.
For.
For
I have been working hard. For arithmetic नहीं होगा.
मैम
In
on
in
on
use कर सकते
मैम
हो.
इज
Add.
अरिथमेटिक a subject?
Yeah, arithmetic is mathematics का एक part होता है ना. Vedic maths.
Yes, ma'am.
That is called arithmetic.
arithmetic.
For
Ma'am on arithmetic.
On, yeah, on can be the right answer because it's a subject. On.
Ma'am, can
Next
you tell
is
the meaning of neglect?
neglect. Neglect is ignore. Like parents बोलते हैं बच्चों को अपने जो children हैं उनको बोलते हैं don't neglect your studies. Means don't ignore it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Excused.
Ma'am, can you tell the meaning of offense?
Offense होता है अपराध करना कोई. Offense.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, crime.
Yeah, crime. Anything negative you say, it can be a sin. Next question. We suffer dash your neglect.
From.
Not from, for. Like we are suffering because of your negligence. For your neglect. We suffered. The exercise was written dash me.
By me.
By
The
me.
exercise was written
By a
by
Camlin
me
pen.
with a
Camlin pen.
with a Camlin pen. Okay. Will you walk dash my parlor?
In my parlor.
In my parlor.
And to my
Walk
parlor. To.
Two is the right answer. Will you walk to my parlor? Set the spider to the. There is something
To
missing.
the.
To somebody. Another. It is 10 o'clock. Dash my watch.
At my
In
watch.
my watch.
It's a guys. It's a very important question. We make mistake in it.
By.
You always say by. Yes. What is time by your watch? Then the answer is it is 10 o'clock by my watch. Don't say in or on. There is nothing new dash the sun.
In the sun.
In the sun.
Oh, how it can be in. There is nothing new under the sun. मतलब कोई
Ma'am,
हमसे
what does
पूछता है
it means?
हाँ तो कोई हमसे पूछता है कि what is new in your life? It is just an answer. Means everything is same under the sun. There is nothing new. Okay. Do
Ma'am,
not
it's a
cry.
proverb.
Can say. Next also is a proverb. Don't cry
And split milk.
over. It's a phrase. Over spilt milk.
It's an idiom.
Yeah, phrases. These are phrases. Don't cry over spilt milk. You boys must settle it dash yourselves.
By yourself.
By right answer.
By.
Okay. The public are cautioned.
For.
Or.
No, against.
By.
Ma'am, what are
Ma'am, meaning of
pickpocket?
pickpockets.
Pickpocketers बोलते हैं like the people who pickpockets. जेब कतरे.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
ठीक है तो जेब हाँ तो जो जेब काटते हैं उनको बोलते हैं पब्लिक आर कॉशनड अगेंस्ट पिक पॉकेट्स और पिक पॉकेटर्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. दे ड्रोव फ्रॉम
From
मुंबई
Mumbai to Pune.
to Pune. So guys, in some
Ma'am, can
questions,
it.
Ma'am, it is into or to Pune?
two, not into.
Excuse
Okay,
me,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can it be they drove to Mumbai from Pune?
Yes, both the ways it is correct because we are not given any choice. So guys, have you note down all the answers? I will send you the questions.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, what is the answer of 26th sentence?
26th. I bought it for 70 rupees.
Okay, ma'am.
Shall I tell you something about prepositions, guys? Are you ready to note it down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bacha. We will begin from a slide of prepositions, which says, see guys, what are the prepositions? I will note down these for you. I'll just explain you all these and send it to you in the group. Just you people try to understand what I'm saying and interrupt me where you are not able to understand. Prepositions जो आप use करते हो, that is used after a verb and before a noun. And you try to tell a relation between a verb and noun. So it expresses the relation of time, of direction, any method, source, or place. Like you can use two prepositions together as I gave you example. I will begin from on. On से अगर आप start करते हो, then you can use it for time. The train was on time. बोलते हैं ना, but if the timing of train is mentioned, then we say at. For example, your class will begin at 5 and everybody was on time. ठीक है, जब on यूज करते हैं ना तो टाइम मेंशन नहीं होता. पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी के साथ हम ऑन यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऑन हेड, ऑन फेस, आई गॉट अ पिंपल ऑन माई फेस. सो इस तरह से ऑन अप्लाई कर सकते हो. पब्लिक व्हीकल्स जैसे बस, ट्रेन और प्लेन, अगर आप ट्रेवल करते हो तो हम यूज करते हैं आई केम ऑन द बस, ऑन द ट्रेन और ऑन द प्लेन. अगर हम अपनी प्राइवेट कार में ट्रेवल करते हैं तो इन यूज करते हैं, इन कार. Right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the example, ma'am, the music is listened to by them. Ma'am, why two is there, ma'am?
Because we cannot listen without to. But since it is a passive, we have to use by them also. So by is for them and to is for listen.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay guys, note down. बस, ट्रेन और प्लेन के साथ आप ऑन यूज कर सकते हो और इन यूज करते हैं हम अपनी कार या टैक्सीज के लिए. किसी सब्जेक्ट पे अगर आप कुछ टॉपिक लिख रहे हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी हमें क्वेश्चन था, आई एम वर्किंग हार्ड ऑन अरिथमेटिक्स, दैट इज अ सब्जेक्ट, ऑन यूज कर सकते हो. कोई भी चीज अगर आपके कंटैक्ट में है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू आर सिटिंग ऑन द टेबल, ऑन द चेयर, आप उसको टच कर रहे हो तो यू आर ऑन इट. आपकी नोटबुक टेबल पे है, योर बुक इज ऑन द टेबल. ठीक है. डेज के साथ मंडे, ट्यूसडे, अब डेज तो ये होते हैं, इसके अलावा बर्थडे, इंडिपेंडेंस डे, रिपब्लिक डे, क्रिसमस डे, दिवाली डे, किसी भी वर्ड में जहां डे आएगा उसके साथ ऑन यूज करना है. ठीक है. और डेट्स होती हैं जैसे 5th, 6th, उसके साथ भी हम ऑन यूज करते हैं. तो ये पॉइंट्स आपको सारे नोट करने हैं. क्विकली आप नोट करते जाओ साथ साथ, सो दैट यू डोंट फॉरगेट देम. तो ऑन टाइम में हमारे पास टाइम गिवन नहीं होगा. ओवर कहाँ यूज करते हैं? ओवर हम यूज करते हैं जहां पे कोई चीज हमारे कंटैक्ट में नहीं है. ठीक है. दैट इज ओवर आस. जैसे अगर आप बॉल कैच कर रहे हो एंड यू आर नॉट एबल टू कैच इट, तो इट वेंट ओवर योर हेड, ऐसा बोलते हैं ना, इट वेंट ओवर माई हेड. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, कोई बर्ड है, बर्ड अगर इफ अ बर्ड इज फ्लाइंग, हम कहते हैं बर्ड वाज फ्लाइंग ओवर द ब्रिज, बिकॉज इट विल नॉट टच द ब्रिज बट इट विल बी इन द मूवमेंट. तो कोई भी चीज जो कंटैक्ट में नहीं है बट मूव करती है, उसको हम ओवर में यूज करेंगे. और अबव में, अबव के केस में क्या होता है, वो चीज कंटैक्ट में नहीं है बट वो स्टेबल है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप जहां बैठे हो, देयर इज अ रूफ अबव यू, देयर इज अ रूफ अबव यू, दैट विल नॉट मूव. In fact,
Ma'am,
yes, yes, yes.
ma'am, like, ma'am, a fan is moving above our head, ma'am. So we will use above or over.
We will use above because when I go out of the room, fan will not go with me. Right? The fan is only working. It is not moving. No?
Yes, ma'am. So we will use above only, ma'am.
Above only. Very good. Right. At हम use करते हैं when we are near to any object. For example, he was standing at the door. अब वो दरवाजे के ऊपर थोड़े ना खड़ा था, वो नजदीक उसके नियर बाय था, तो he was standing at the door. If you are given exact time, then you use at. Your example begin at 9. Another is place. If you are given exact place, but it will be a short place. For example, places are, I will see you or my friend will visit in Patiala at my house. A particular location is given, Atomics Mall, at Choti Baradari.
Ma'am, we
words
use in for big cities, ma'am.
yes,
and
in we
at
use
for
for big
small.
areas. At for the locations, only the particular locations. Right? Festivals के साथ हम at use करते हैं, like Easter, Holi, Diwali, Christmas, और Easter, I give you Halloween. कोई भी ऐसे festivals हैं तो आप बोलेंगे festivals के साथ at. For example, there will be a holiday at Diwali, not on Diwali. ठीक है. एम हम यूज करते हैं जैसे कोई टारगेट करने के लिए. अब देखो आप दो तरह से एम करते हो. आपकी लाइफ में क्या एम है, आपको क्या बनना है, that means you are aiming for IAS, PCS, you are aiming for that. But otherwise, if there is a target like shooting, archery और ऐसा कोई भी टारगेट जिसमें ऑब्जेक्ट आपके बिल्कुल सामने है, उसमें आप यूज करते हो aiming at. Otherwise, we use aiming for. Next is like moment, at the moment, at night, at noon, at the end, at the top, at the bottom. इन सबके साथ at use करना है. Because most of the time I have seen students, they write in the end. In the end is not correct. You
Ma'am,
should
what is
say
written after night?
noon, at noon, at the end, at the top, at the bottom. Okay. Next is onto. Onto means a thing is on something and also in the movement. Like if a monkey is sitting on a branch of a tree, उसको किसी दूसरी branch पे जाना है, it will not come down from the tree. वो ऊपर से ऊपर move करता है. उसको बोलते हैं onto. Onto the trees. The monkey is jumping onto the trees. Next is upon. Upon we use for timing also and for places also. But upon means once upon a time, like once upon a time, sudden action was there. And where you are sitting, suddenly a lizard fell upon you. It's upon the sudden activity if it happens. Okay. If a dog jumped upon the table, सडनली उसने जंप कर दिया टेबल के ऊपर, तो उसको हम अपॉन में कंसिडर करते हैं. If anything on this page is not clear to you, let me know, else I will move to another slide. Is everybody able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you
Isha,
again,
you have any doubt?
can you again give some examples of upon?
Upon?
Yes, ma'am.
अपॉन हम ज्यादा यूज नहीं करते हैं. एक तो आपने सुना होगा वंस अपॉन अ टाइम, उसमें अपॉन यूज करते हो. ठीक है. या फिर हम अपॉन यूज करते हैं कोई चीज जब गिरती है, जैसे मेरे हाथ से पेन गिर गया, इट फेल अपॉन द ग्राउंड. सडन एक्शंस
Okay.
like a lion attacked upon the cow, jumped upon the cow.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, once upon a time, ma'am, it is not a sudden reaction. Ma'am, so
Suddenly we move to another time. Now we are sitting in the present, but suddenly we talk about some other time, so that means a sudden action happens.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, now you people will tell me, if you go outside, there is a sky. So sky is above you or over you?
Ma'am, above.
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 And what
Over.
for the clouds?
Ma'am, over.
Clouds. Yes, because clouds can move, but sky will not move. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
right. Shall I come to another slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, beta, okay. Now the next slide says, we will talk about below, under, beneath, and underneath. What is the difference between these four? Let's talk about them first. Any object which indicates you downward, we use below. For example, I have written a few. Below average. किसी के student के marks हैं बहुत कम है, below average है. Means there is an average, उससे भी कम है. Downward, below water level, पानी का level जो है वो कम हो गया. Below water level चला गया, downward. And we also use below poverty line. Means there is a line of poverty और कोई उसके भी downward है, उसके भी नीचे है, so that is called below. लेकिन अंडर में जब आप यूज करते हो तो अंडर का मतलब है वो जो ऑब्जेक्ट है जिसके बारे में आप बात कर रहे हो दैट इज अबव यू. जैसे वी आर अंडर द रूफ बट द रूफ इज अबव अस. अंडर द टेबल, अंडर वाटर, वी सिट अंडर द ट्री. ठीक है, तो अंडर कहाँ यूज करना है हमें? वेयर इंडिकेशन इज डाउनवर्ड. और बिलो यू अपवर्ड सॉरी एंड द बिलो यूज करना है जहां पे इंडिकेशन आपकी डाउनवर्ड रहती है. आई होप आपको समझ में आया. ठीक है, डाउनवर्ड अगर कोई चीज ऑब्जेक्ट हमारा नीचे की तरफ इंडिकेशन दे रहा है तो आप बिलो यूज करते हो, और अगर वो ऑब्जेक्ट हमारे अबव है, ऊपर है, तो हम यूज करते हैं इसमें अंडर. बीनीथ क्या होता है? बीनीथ होता है जैसे जिस पॉइंट पे आप टच कर रहे हैं, आपके पैर टच कर रहे हैं. किसी को जैसे हमने बोलना है हे बी स्लो, देयर इज स्लिपरी बीनीथ यू, देयर इज ग्रास बीनीथ यू. Sit comfortably, there is carpet beneath you. That means the floor, that point where you can touch, you can be in contact with. Now what is underneath? Underneath होता है किसी surface के नीचे. Underneath मतलब अगर हम पार्किंग की बात करते हैं कि पार्किंग बेसमेंट में है, हम ये भी बोल सकते हैं the parking is underneath. Okay, shall I move ahead? Off, single F off हम कब use करते हैं? When we try to tell the relation of an object. Okay, you guys give me some example of off. You are a student dash iQuest. क्या होगा? You are a student
Off.
of. It means you belong to. You belong to iQuest. और अगर आप बोलते हो I am a resident of Patiala, that means I belong to Patiala. So जो भी चीज में अगर आपको अपना belonging show करना है तो off use करते हैं. But from use,
Running.
sorry, I'm tired of running.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that is an correct example. हमने भी किया था ना एक question, I am tired of walking, है ना? तो off means you are relating yourself to something, but when you use from, it is used to separate you from something. For example, I am coming from my house. We use from, right? Else you can say he jumped from the balcony. Separation. तो from हम जब भी use करेंगे there will be some sort of departure, some sort of detachment. But off use करेंगे अगर आप तो there must be some attachment, some relation, some belonging with the object. Similarly, you can use O double F off. Off use कर सकते हो जिसमें it will be as equal as from. जैसे मैं बोलूं a marker, a pen fell from my hand, मैं ये भी यूज कर सकती हूँ a marker fell off my hand. O double F, that will also be a correct answer. ठीक है guys, any doubt till here?
No doubts.
Okay, very good. Are you able to understand everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, come to another point. By and with. आपके पास एक क्वेश्चन था, I am right. It is written by me with a Camlin pen, ऐसा कुछ था ना? तो by हम कब यूज करते हैं और with कब यूज करना है? If your question is the ball was hit dash the bat, what will be your answer?
By.
Exactly. So mostly student इसमें by answer करते हैं, but correct answer is with. See, by हम use करते हैं जब कोई person कोई activity perform कर रहा है, like you are taught by me, okay, or I am listened by you. You are doing some activity ना. Similarly, with आप use करेंगे when you are using some object. For example, you are writing with a pen. The ball was hit with the bat, not by the bat. Bat ने अपने आप hit नहीं किया उसको, है ना? Person ने hit किया. और अगर होता द बॉल वॉज हिट डैश द बैट्समैन, तो बाय, तो बाय यूज करते, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज बिफोर एंड आफ्टर. If any activity happens earlier to a time before, like I was waiting for you before the train came or after it arrived, all are correct. ठीक है. Till use करते हैं, it's in a positive sense, and until and unless they give you a negative sense. I'll give you a question and you will tell me the answer of until and unless. I waited for the train, dash it came.
Until.
Correct answer. I waited for the train, dash it dash it didn't come.
Unless.
Till is positive. So if not is already given, then we don't say until, then we say till, है ना. टिल आप यूज करेंगे जहां पे आपको नॉट रिक्वायर्ड नहीं है. अगर हमें नॉट रिक्वायर्ड है तो अंटिल गिव्स यू अ सेंस ऑफ नेगेटिव. अनलेस के लिए क्वेश्चन होगा वर्क हार्ड डैश यू वर्क हार्ड यू कांट पास. Unless. Yes, correct. Shall I move to another slide?
Yes, ma'am.
I think the topic will not be over by today, but still, I will see what is on the next sheet. I'll be covering it in the next class, probably. This sheet we will be covering today, and the rest of the things will be doing in the next class. We use in the morning, in the evening, in summer, in winter, in month, week, or year. That you can write. I have not written month, year, and a week. इन सब में आपको in use करना है. into use करते हैं जहां पे कोई movement होती है. Like he jumped into the river. Drag the bag into the room. Drag the bag into the room. And inside हम use करते हैं. Yes, please. Yes, बेटा. Inside आप use करते हो जहां पे आपको बोलना है any situation जहां पे आप सभी side से covered हो. For example, inside the drawer, inside the cricket stadium. Inside means sides closed हैं.
Ma'am, it is written in enclosed spaces.
या enclosed spaces जिसकी sides closed हैं, आप उस चीज के अंदर हो, closed हो. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट है टू और टूवर्ड्स. टू और टूवर्ड्स का डिफरेंस ये रहता है, टू मीन्स अ डेस्टिनेशन जहाँ पे आपको जाना है, और टूवर्ड्स का मतलब है उस डायरेक्शन से होके जाना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम गोइंग टू market, so that is the destination where I am going to, but I am going towards bus stand, towards Fountain Chowk. That will be on my way, but that is not my destination, right? Next question is out of. Out of का मतलब होता है like from a bag. You told that ma'am, I gave you book, let me get the book out of my bag. Okay, take your books out of your bag. Out of means किसी चीज से बाहर निकालना, है ना. और अराउंड हम यूज करते हैं. अराउंड और अराउंड में देखो क्या डिफरेंस है. अराउंड का मतलब होता है किसी चीज की साइड्स पे, बाहर वाली साइड्स पे. जैसे कोई बिल्डिंग है और आप उसके बाहर घूम रहे हो, तो यू आर मूविंग अराउंड द म्यूजियम. बट म्यूजियम में मोस्टली हम लोग अगर अंदर घूम रहे हैं, कुछ देख रहे हैं म्यूजियम में ऑब्जेक्ट्स को, तब हम यूज करते हैं दैट आई वॉज मूविंग राउंड द म्यूजियम. आप मॉल में जाते हो, मॉल के अंदर घूम रहे हो, यू आर वॉकिंग राउंड द गार्डन, राउंड द पार्क. राउंड यूज करते हैं. अराउंड होता है किसी चीज के आउटर सरफेस के आसपास घूमना. जैसे द अर्थ, दैट हम इसमें यूज करते हैं, द अर्थ मूव्स अराउंड द सन. राउंड नहीं ना कह सकते. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन स्पाइट
Excuse me,
एंड
ma'am.
डिस्पाइट. यस.
Ma'am, can you please explain again, ma'am? Out of.
आउट ऑफ में ऐसा होता है रजय, जैसे आपके पास कोई क्वेश्चन है, आपकी कीज हैं, आप मान लो आपके पास कीज हैं और वो आपके बैग में थी. ठीक है. आपने वो कीज मेरे को निकाल के दी, तो मोस्टली स्टूडेंट यूज करते हैं, आई गेव यू कीज और लेट मी टेक इट आउट फ्रॉम माई बैग. rather than using from, the suitable one is out of. है ना? Yes. Next I was on in spite of and despite. दो चीजें याद रखना, in spite में ऑफ यूज करते हैं और डिस्पाइट के साथ ऑफ यूज नहीं करते हैं. तो मोस्टली स्टूडेंट गलती करते हैं डिस्पाइट के साथ ऑफ यूज करने का. राइट? यू पीपल विल नॉट यूज इट. In spite जो है is used in negative conditions. For example, in spite of bad weather, sorry, इसको हम despite में use कर सकते हैं. In spite of doctor's warning, he was taking sugar in the tea. डॉक्टर ने उसको warn किया था, still he was taking sugar in the tea. तो that is a negative point ना, तो हम in spite of use करेंगे. But if the statement says despite heavy rain you came for the class, this is a positive point, then we use despite. That means despite bad health you attended the class. That is your plus point. So in the positive cases we use despite, otherwise we use in spite of. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट है फ्रॉम. फ्रॉम को आप टू और अंटिल दोनों में यूज कर सकते हो. हमारे पास क्वेश्चन था फ्रॉम मुंबई टू पुणे. ठीक है. सेम आप लिख सकते थे अंटिल टाइमिंग के लिए अगर आप यूज कर रहे हो, लाइक फ्रॉम मंडे टू सैटरडे और फ्रॉम मंडे अंटिल सैटरडे. फ्रॉम मंडे अंटिल सैटरडे. ठीक है. बोथ के साथ आप एंड यूज करते हो कंजंक्शन. सिमिलरली बिटवीन के साथ हम एंड यूज करते हैं, लाइक मीटिंग विल बी हेल्ड बिटवीन 2 and 3. हम ये नहीं कह सकते बिटवीन 2 to 3. 2 and 3 यूज करना है. बिटवीन के साथ अगर आप 2 यूज करते हो तो दैट विल बी रॉन्ग. बिटवीन 2 to 3. यहाँ तक क्लियर है सबको? मैं कुछ क्वेश्चंस पुट कर रही हूँ. ठीक है. विल यू ट्राई टू आंसर मी? ठीक है. देखो oh shit. The question number 1, इसमें आपको आंसर करना है. Riya was married dash Sohan. Riya was married dash Sohan.
By.
Married by होता है
With.
With.
Correct answer is married to. Was married to. Next question. I was sitting dash the shade of a tree.
Under.
No, we don't sit under the shade. We sit in the shade of the tree. Are you under the shade? No, you are under the tree. But उसका जो shade है उसके हम अंदर जाकर बैठते हैं. So that is in the shade of a tree. Right? I want to talk dash you.
I
To
want
you.
you.
Yes, now it is correct. He died dash COVID. He died dash COVID.
Before.
By.
Diseases के लिए ऑफ यूज करते हैं. He died of cancer. He died of COVID. He died of cholera. ठीक है. Okay, you guys want that I should tell you these type of questions and you want to solve them,
Yes.
right? I will send you a slide You will read that slide by the next lecture. Okay. And then we will continue from that slide and remaining of the prepositions which are left. Will it be fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Is that it for today? Were you able to understand the concepts?
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, just let me check if I can show you that slide. That's okay. I will send that to you. It's not at present. I am not getting it. Okay, everybody. Read the questions. I'll ask you rest of the prepositions in next lecture. Thank you so much for now. You can leave the class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, take care. Bye-bye.